Very kapil. Asensya na ho kayo kung kami lahat itatanong sa inyo kasi kayo lang yata yung LGU na nandito. Meron pa ho bang ibang LGU na nandito? Sino pa ho ba? Anyways, sa susunod na hearing kung dumating yung ibang LGU, tatanong din ho namin sila sa mga tanong na binigay ho natin sa inyo. Ah, ibabalik ko lang ho ulit, no? Yung powers of the LGU, no? Yung Section 444.b.16. Nasabi talaga dun yung Chief Executive shall exercise general supervision and control over all programs, projects, services, activities within its own jurisdiction. Ando na ho tayo. So, noong 2019, kayo po ay umupo as mayor, hindi ho sila nag-cooperate. Ika niya, hindi sila nag-cooperate o nag-cooperate lang sila?
Based on their kung 2019 po, bali nag-i-start pa lang po siguro sila ng operation.
Nag-start sila ng operation.
Yes.
Pero hindi niyo po binibigyan ng business tax, sabi nyo kanina, di ba?
Based on records,
Wala pa. Based on records, wala pa po. Yun ang sabi nyo kanina.
yes, Your Honor.
So, bakit nyo pinapa-operate na wala pang business tax, na wala pang business permit? Actually, before nyo bigyan ng business permit, dapat bibigyan nyo muna sila ng occupancy permit para maka-apply sila ng kuryente nila, para makapasok yung telco, para mabigyan sila ng water permit, lahat po yun.
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi po, di ba as-built na po yung Thai court. Bago pa ako umupo, nakagawa na po yung Thai court. Na, at in-apply po nilang ng building permit and occupancy permit, Your Honor.
Pero sabi niyo po, nag-cooperate nung sila na wala pang business permit.
Yes.
Hindi nyo dapat pinag-operate yung isang negosyo. Sorry po talagang sa process lang po tayo. I'm not pinning it down, but
yes,
question lang namin yung processing na ginagawa ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Pangalawa, Mayor, dun sa sinabi ni Attorney Africa at saka sa BPLO na wala silang declared na income. Paano nyo na-determine na wala ko silang declared na income? Kasi sinasabi ng PAGCOR, at least nag-average sila ng 3 billion a year. 3 billion a year. Kung ako ang mayor na, habulin ko yun. Kasi magagamit ko yun para sa munisipyo ko eh. Magagamit ko ng mga projects, mga plano natin. Madam Attorney Africa, yes.
Mr. Chair, in the filling up of the application form by the applicant, the municipality relied on the declaration of the applicant, and it is the format of the application form, Mr. Chair. There is a certification and verification therein that they are obliged to give true and correct information, otherwise will be subject to perjury, Mr. Chair. So, based on their declaration,
so upon your investigation, you're telling us na totoo yung declaration nila?
Mr. Chair, at this point, it is not.
Not true?
Yes po.
So, yung sinabit nila na certificate of no income, sabi mo na hindi totoo?
Based on our investigation, Mr. Chair, then it is not true because it is contradictory to the revenues that were declared and that the PAGCOR just stated today, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Pero yung former pronouncement at saka ni BPLO, sabi nyo kasi based on sa business tax na sinarge na wala silang revenue.
That time, Mr. Chair.
Last week lang yun, no?
Hindi po.
Last week sinabi yun eh. Baka nagbago this week.
Hindi po. We are looking, Mr. Chair, on our database.
For such a big business, yung munisipyo nyo ba, nagbigay ko ba kayo ng tax holiday?
Wala.
Okay, wala. I'm sure wala. Did you take a look at the documents na sinabit nila sa BIR? Kasi kung nagdududa kayo sa isang negosyo sa inyong munisipyo, pwede nyo puntahan yung BIR. Tatanungin nyo sa kanila, magkano ba ang dineclare ng BIR? Magkano ba ang binayaran ng BIR sa inyo? Take a look at that.
It is the standard protocol naman po ng
So,
check po.
according to sa binayaran sa BIR, wala rin silang kinita. Kasi kung meron kayo, sabi niya, may certificate of no profit sila.
Mr. Chair, at that time, I was not yet part of the municipality. So I
Sige,
did not
babalik ko kay Mayor. Mayor, sinagtiho ba sa BIR kung nagsagot sila ng annual tax nila? Kasi kung may annual tax, doon natin may kita kung magkano yung kinita ng
Actually, Your Honor, I relied on my department heads. According nga dun sa Section 444 na naturan ninyo, General Supervision and Control po ang trabaho ng Mayor. Ang department head po is technical supervision. Kaya nag-hire po tayo ng mga technical people na nakakaalam po ng trabaho nila kasi hindi po kaya talaga ng Mayor sa dami ng trabaho. Kasi kung rinireport po sa akin yan na Your Honor, lump sum na.
correct.
Kaya hindi ko po, wala kung lahat po sa dami ng real property namin, sa dami ng business establishment namin sa Porac.
Ilan ho yung business establishment sa inyo?
Nung naupo ako na nasa almost 2,000 siguro, pero ngayon nasa 3,228. And our real property, 90,000, Your Honor. Sabi nga po, pag report nila po sa akin yan, nasa lump sum na lang kasi kung tigisa-isayin ko po yan, wala na pong matatrabaho ang mayor considering talaga noon po
Mahirap po
busy,
talaga.
napakahirap
Mahirap po talaga ang
pandemic pa po.
trabaho ng isang mayor.
Yes, Your Honor po.
Dahil nung ako isang city mayor, maliit lang ko yung city namin, ang land area namin kasi laki lang ng Metro Manila. Ito yung land area ng binabantayan ko nung ako yung mayor. At ang probinsya kami, ang registered na negosyante doon is almost 9,000 na registered na negosyante sa amin. Somehow, katulad na naka-SGLGO. Kung naka-SGLGO kayo, sila good local governance. At things na nakita nyo, nababantayan nyo. It's not a reason na marami negosyante. Kasi gusto natin, pag mayor tayo, mas marami negosyante, mas maganda para sa munisipyo ko natin. Pero ang hindi ko lang po masakyan po, na meron po silang revenue na 3 billion a year. Pero tinatanggap po natin yung certificate of non-revenue ng isang kumpanya sa isang lugar nyo. Kaya nga, I would like to ask is the BIR here? Is the BIR present?
Last question, Congressman Gomez. please.
Last two, Mr. Chair. Thank you. BIR, siguro, bukas pa yung, yung opisina nyo. Pwede nyo bang makuha ngayon yung binayad na taxes ng, ano pangalan ng kumpanya, Mayor?
Lucky South 99, Your Honor.
Lucky South 99. Is that the registered corporation in your municipality?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun yung nagbabayad ng business tax sa inyo.
Ang full name po, Mr. Chair, Lucky South 99 Outsourcing
Okay,
Incorporated.
it's only 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm very sure that the BIR can get the records of that. Simulan na ho natin sa 2016 hanggang ngayon. Konti lang naman yun. Once mabuksan yun, doon na lahat ng records.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
unfortunately, nag-declare ng hanggang 2 p.m. lang yung pasok kanina sa BIR. But, yung Malacanang po. However, Mr. Chair, I can confirm na may binabayad po yan. Kasi po, based dun sa recent Pogulo, ang GGR, pinapadala po sa amin ng
What
PAGCOR
is
yan.
GGR?
Gross gaming revenues po. Kaya walang takas po talaga sila ngayon kasi yung PAGCOR pinapadala po sa amin kung magkano yung revenues na kinikita nila. Tapos yun din po ang
So, as a government agency, how will you react to the LGU Porac? Nasabi na walang profit, walang income yung pogo na naka-station sa kanila.
Very impossible.
Thank
Okay.
you, Mr. Chair. Lastly, Mayor, i-confirm ko lang yung sa location ng yung location
Okay, sir.
ng Pogo. Sabi niyo, umiikot pa ho kayo ng Angeles.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano po yun? So
Actually,
yung property na ito yung property nila. Paglabas din ng kalsada dito, Angeles na yun.
Angeles po.
Gano'ng kalaki ho yung property?
Around 100 hectares po yung buong property. Hindi po, yung
Hindi,
yung ano po,
Pogo, sa Pogo.
8.6 hectares.
8.6 hectares. Ilang titulo po yun?
I'm not sure.
Sa PPLO, the administrator would know siguro. Or kung nandyan yung office of the building official ninyo, malalaman mo kung ilang titles meron yung lugar nila.
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. Based on submitted records po.
Okay, last.
Yes, last
Please
question.
answer.
9 titles po yung...
Ilan?
9 titles po.
9 titles. At paki-confirm po kung tama po yung sinasabi ko na lahat ng titulo na ini-issue, kailangan meron ng road right of way.
Yes po.
Correct?
Yes po.
So, paano po nangyayari yun, Mr. Mayor, na ang sinasabi nyo, isa lang po yung daan? No?
Actually, yung property po, nakapakot siya. Halikot tapos yung dadaanan mo dun sa walang nakapakot. Is a private property.
Hindi ko kayo nagtataka na yung property na yun, nakapakot, tapos hindi ko dumadaan sa lugar nyo. At kayo po ng mayor, kailangan dumaan pa ko kayo sa ibang bayan sa amin para lang ma-inspect yung lugar sa Cora. Tama po ba yun?
Yun po ang actually sad reality na
At yun po
nangyari.
hindi niyo po kinorek at hindi ko kayo nagtaka doon kayo.
natatnan ko na lang po rin yan. Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman,
Sa dami na
at this point, I rest my case. Nakita po natin yung inconsistencies at saka yung mga dapat kailangan ayusin ng isang LGU sa mga ganitong klaseng mga bagay. Especially, Mr. Chair, with regards to local government unit income, napakalaking bagay po nun. Nasa ganun, yung kanilang munisipyo, kung umaani po ng at least isang negosyo out of the 3,000 na negosyante doon, 3 billion isang taon. So, Chair, dapat bantay nila ng mabuti yung ginagawa na. Otherwise, the BIR must look into the document of the said LGU, pati na rin po ang DLG kung ano kailangan gawin. And the Bureau, ang BLGF Bureau, Government Finance, correct, the BLGF, kailangan po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Congressman Gomez. So we will be recognizing Congressman Cosita. But prior to that, there's a
Very quick.
interjection of Congresswoman Lislo. Go ahead, Congresswoman.
Yes, this is addressed to Mayor Kapil. Mayor, earlier sabi niyo po, while being asked by Congressman Roma, sobrang dami ng mayor, ng trabaho ng mayor. And the reason why you are engaging technical assistants, department heads, para matulungan kayo. Di po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yun po yung sagot nyo when you are being asked by the Honorable Gomez kung bakit hindi nyo na-monitor yung revenue na 3 billion per year. Are you aware, Mayor Kapil, of the principle of command responsibility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Maaari nyo po ba kami i-enlighten what is your understanding about command responsibility?
Dun sa section 444 po, General Supervision and Control. Ang ibig po sabihin, may general supervision ako as mayor. The department head naman, technical supervision po sila. Sila talaga ang nakakaalam po kung yung trabaho nila, halimbawa, kung sa assessment, sila po talaga ang may alam ng assessment. Sa engineering, kaya nag-hire po tayo ng mga engineers kasi sila po talaga ang may alam naman sa engineering, Your Honor.
And in addition to that, Mayor, you have to understand that for the acts and omissions committed by your subordinates, that includes your department heads, you are responsible for being their superior. Kung ito po'y one time lang, kung ito po'y 3 months lang, kung ito po'y 1 taon lang, baka nga po, sa dami ng trabaho ng mayor, hindi nyo na na-monitor. But according to PAGCOR, we're talking about 3 billion times 3 years. What happened to your PPLO? You have the power to inspect. Why did you not even ask for the income tax return of the corporation as well as the director sitting therein? Pagkalaki po nung gusali na iyon, it did not even raise any doubt. How come naka-zero gross revenue ito?
Your Honor, actually nung naupo po ako, talagang yung bayan namin parang walang sistema. That's why nagkaroon po kami ng reorganization. We're putting, nasa process po kami ng reorganization. We're putting right people at the right job.
Mayor, I remember you manifested that you started assuming in 2019. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the Lucky South started operating as POGO in 2021. Meaning 2021. 2020. You mean to say, Mayor, from 2019 to 2020, hindi mo pa naayos yung payment system? And are you not prompted by the ideas of how to increase the revenue of your LGU? Kasi if you are, you will become very, very conscious of the business establishments operating in your municipality. Especially kung may napakalaking building, itong establishment na ito, it should have raised doubt or even curiosity. Sino ba ito? Ano bang meron dito? Kanina sabi nyo po, malaki ang building, pero walang right of way, naka-zero income. Parang it's quite hard to understand ngayon kung bakit hindi mo na-unfold, hindi mo na-discover unless it was done intentionally. Itong 3 billion na revenue times 3 years. Mayor.
With due respect,
I just want to give emphasis to the principle of command responsibility, Mayor. Na hindi po pagka ganito, na may investigasyon na, you will just be pointing to your department heads. At sasabihin nyo, hindi nyo alam yon. May department head kayo, may PPLO kayo, may municipal engineer kayo. Please be reminded that you are responsible for the actions of your subordinates. If they are guilty of acts or omissions, you are answerable for their acts and omissions. That is command responsibility, Mayor. So please stop pointing at them. Thank you, Mr. Chair.